let me show you how to set up the email auto reply in Yahoo Mail. I'm going to show you here on the latest Yahoo Mail and if you're using the old basic mail. So what we need to do if we're on the latest one is come up to settings here and then come down to more settings. Now you'll see out of office response. You can see it says set an automatic reply, and it says set an automatic reply to incoming messages when you are on holiday or out of the office. So you want to tab this on and then select a start and an end date, then compose your message, then select save, and then it will send that message whenever you get an email to this email address between the dates you've selected and whatever you've wrote. You can also toggle it off if you come back from holiday early. So that's how to do it on the latest one. If we go over to the old mail, you want to come to the top here and select account information from the drop down. Press go. Now select out of office response. And again, it's very similar. Select the start and the end date when you want this to happen. Select the message, what you want to send, and then at the very top, select save. And it'll start responding to any email you get with your message that you've selected between the dates. So hopefully that helps you out how to set up an email auto reply in Yahoo Mail. If it does, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more helpful tech videos like this.